Hi, this is Keith Sorem. I'm with Keller Williams Realty in Glendale, California, and this is the August 2007 market update. The real estate market in Glendale, Burbank, Pasadena, North Hollywood, and the Foothills is actually pretty normal, pretty average. Last August we had 523 listings that sold. This August 460, so that's relatively similar. Now the numbers could change in September and October. We'll see how the mortgage market changes. The good news is that we can report that in this area it's pretty stable. We haven't had a lot of the building that has occurred in other areas because there hasn't been any room to build anything. Let me give you an idea of how we analyze the market. The market has an index, and the index is composed of a couple different factors. If the index is above 1.2, it's a seller's market. If it's between 0.8 and 1.2, it's neutral. Neither buyer nor seller have an advantage. If it's below 0.8, then it's certainly a buyer's market. We had 907 listings come on the market in August, 423 opened escrow, giving us a ratio of 0.47 pendings. That's good. However, our inventory is just over 3,087 properties. We sold 463. So we would have to sell, if we didn't add any more inventory, it would take us 8 or 9 months to go through that inventory. And the average market time is about 90 days right now. So that gives us an index of 0.29. Definitely a buyer's market. If you're thinking that now is the time to buy, but you think prices might drop, so you're going to wait, my suggestion would be this. We don't know the future. We can't tell you when the market shift is going to stop. If you can find the right property, and there's some good deals out there, then I'd go for it. You know, people ask, well, Keith, what about short pays and REO bank-owned properties? Well, in July, it was 2% of our inventory. Now it's 3.3%. In this particular area, they are not going to have a big impact. What the problem, I think, in the press is you read an article in the LA Times, and it will refer to the entire Southland, which would be San Bernardino, the high desert with Lancaster and Palmdale, where they have had a lot of building. And those builders are running a business, and they're going to do whatever it takes to sell those properties. We don't have that type of inventory because we haven't had the area to develop. If you're a seller and you're serious about selling, I think you can still get top dollar for your property, but it needs to be marketed right, staged, and it needs to be priced appropriately. The longer a property sits on the market, the less the seller nets. I can provide you with detailed information, especially if you're thinking about putting a home on the market. We should sit down and look at your particular area, your neighborhood, and we can run the numbers and you can see if it makes sense. If you're a buyer, you know, interest rates actually have gone down in the past week. You have a 720 FICO score, you've got 5, 10, 20% down payment, you can document your income. I think now would be a great time to buy. And I'll tell you the reason is we don't know what the market will be in the future. We think we're about at the bottom and we're going up. So if you're thinking of purchasing a property in this area, then I would definitely urge you to give me a call right away, and we can look at what's available and you can see if it makes sense. You can reach me at 818-455-0830 or visit me on the web at www.beautifulglendalehomes.com. This is Keith Sorem from Keller Williams Realty. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.